What's up, guys? So, miscommunication to our time of cleaning. Supposed to be uh, our plan. Today is Saturday here, right, in Canada. So our plan is to clean our two cleaning part-time at the same day today. But unfortunately, guys, the open hours of one of our part-time cleaning is still open until 4 p.m. today. So we cannot go inside, of course, because I believe there are still, I believe there are still customer and they are still in operating right now. So we just miss the hours that we are coming here. Anyways, we are going. How about in the other place? What do you think? Are we going there? Today's Saturday, right? They said is able to clean weekends, Saturday and Sunday.
Nung last time tayo naglinis, Saturday yun, di ba?
Saturday, yeah. Last Saturday we go there, so we can go there. So it might be we're gonna come here tomorrow,
Yeah.
Sunday.
Pang Sunday talaga siya.
Yeah.
Or late Saturday.
Late Saturday.
Ay, hindi. Next week pwede natin siyang linisin ang Saturday kasi wala namang Bible study.
Yeah, we're just thinking about later because we have
Pero talaga,
we have Bible.
pang Sunday
Yeah, we
siya.
have a Bible study later around 5 p.m. So we cannot come back in here to clean this place. Anyway,
Lesson learned.
at least, yeah,
Well, eh.
yeah, I know already.
You know
Yeah,
na?
yeah. At least we know already because we did not pay attention last no, we got that one. I remember I just captured the open hours last Sunday, but we did not check before we leave in our place to come in here. So yeah, it's our fault. At least, yeah. At least, guys, we know already. So now we were heading to other place. Okay, okay. Another like 20 minutes. So. Mhm. Sa Pilipinas, syempre pag nangyari sa ito, ubos oras ka kasi yung plana pag may traffic, 'di ba? Kaya mas maganda talaga sa Pilipinas na alamin mo, i-double check mo bago mo puntahan. Ikot-ikot lang. Nandito tayo sa hotel. Anong hotel ba yan?
Hindi pala, Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn. Okay. Stop! Stop, people! Anyway, guys, just to mention you before, in the Philippines, I don't know how to drive. Yeah, only I know driving is the motorcycle, the automatic motorcycle. But I love to learn back home to drive, but nobody teach me. Nobody give time to teach me how to drive, especially four wheel. This one is four wheel. Yeah. If you wanna ask, how do I learn? I just register. I just go to driving school here in Canada, and then I paid like I remember 700 or 500. I guess 500. And then there is some hours for driving and lecture to count. Wala, may truck kaya na ako na siya. So,
Go na.
ano, kaya yun. Katakot may truck. Thank you. So yeah, I learning here how to drive in Canada. It's better to take driving school, especially if you don't know how to drive. You don't have any experience to drive. Yeah, it's better to take school driving, and then you will learn, right? You will comfortable to drive, especially here we have 4 seasons: summer, fall, spring, and winter. Ang nakakatakot every winter because the road is bad, the weather is bad, and some people driving bad too. Marami kang matututunan pag student driving ka. Kaya for me guys, if you are coming here in Canada and then want to learn how to drive, you want to have your own car to drive, it's better to have and register for driving school. But still, ganun pa din sa akin, so based on my experience, self discipline pa rin ang kailangan. Nag-ano ka nga, nag-driving school ka nga, and then wala ka namang self-discipline, masyado kang kaskasero, masyado kang nagmamadali, low patient ka, di ba? Wala kang kindness. Kasi pag nagdadrive ka talaga, lahat dapat meron ka. Kasi yung mga tao makakasalamuha mo, yung mga tao makikita mo. Kaya minsan nga, di ba, kaya nga nagkakaroon ng mga road rage eh. Minsan nangyayari na rin sa akin yan. Pero hanggang salita-salita lang guys. Kasi nga, siyempre, papakita mo ba sa kanila na papatalo ka or yung papabuli ka? Siyempre, hindi naman. Tayo mga Pilipino, siyempre, alam naman natin, yung iba talagang hindi na papatalo yan. Kaya, yun, sabi ko nga sa inyo, be patient and be kind.
Anong pinaproblema mo?
Wala naman. Sinasabi ko lang sa mga followers ko or mga viewers ko na kung paano ang buhay dito sa Canada kapag magmamaneho ka, magkakaroon ka sa sasakyan. Gusto mong matutong mag-aral mag-drive. Yun, sinasabi ko sa kanila na much better to take driving lesson. Yeah.
Ba't ako naman di nag-driving lesson?
Ikaw yun.
Tinuruan lang naman ako. Marunong naman ako mag-drive.
Yeah. I know, pwede naman ganun. Wala naman problema ganun eh. Pero, the question is, marami kasing driver na tinuruan lang, they don't know the rules, all the rules of driving, yung pagdadrive. Ako nga, yung iba, minsan, like sa four-way, or yung mga walang designated
Uncontrolled traffic.
mga ganon, mga controlled traffic. You don't know who will be especially if
It's four-way rules.
especially like that for
If it's uncontrolled
four-way
traffic.
rules. who will be the first going to, or who's the second, third, and fourth, nabubulol pa ako. So yun nga. So yung mga ganon, do you think if one driver like doesn't know that kind of uncontrolled traffic, sometimes it causes misleading, or miscommunication.
No, it's not.
Yeah, sometimes it causes.
You will learn.
Yeah, that's why you will learn. After that, you will learn, and then, but get already the mistake
And you will
because you caused the accident.
You will need you're going, even though
What?
you're not. Ano yung coffee ko?
Parang ayaw mo magkahati ah. Anyway, yun nga guys. So yun lang, payo ko sa inyo. Kung sakaling the Lord bless you to live in here in Canada, to live in Canada, and you and your kids wants to drive, just my suggestion, my opinion is to let them study, take for driving lesson. Yun lang guys.
Paturo na lang kayo
But
para
except if your wife or yourself is already a driver instructor, Siyempre tuturuan mo na yung anak mo, di ba? Or yung relatives mo na ganito, ganyan, ganito yung gawin mo, tuturuan mo sila.
may pa-accept ka na ngayon.
Yeah.
Kanina. Ayaw mo tanggapin.
Exceptional you can use in a different ways, right? Yeah. So here we are passing here in industrial oil here in Sherwood Park. It's nice to work in oil field job because
Bumalik
first,
pa tayo, my love.
yeah, because the Capilano is there. Where you want me to go? In the moon? This is only the right
Hindi,
way. From what?
From doon pwede ka naman bumaba ng
O dumaba ka?
Yellowhead.
Yellowhead and what?
And then
You're funny. This is already Capilano.
bumaba pa tayo.
Dito lang tayo galing before. Yan tayo galing sa Shell, diyan tayo mag-turn left. My goodness. Minsan yung asawa mo, guys, sorry ha. Pag yung asawa mo nangingialam sa'yo, di ba, annoying. Tuturuan pa ako mag-drive. Nandun kami galing sa Sherwood. Siyempre, ang daan namin dito, yung pupuntahan namin is Capilano.
Malayo pa doon pwede ka naman
No, it's not good.
Yellowhead na lang.
Yellowhead, and then where are we going? Where are we gonna go? When we were going exit. There, Yellowhead. That's Yellowhead there. Come on. Yeah. Alam mo yun, guys. Meron kang kasamang jungle. Meron kang kasamang mais, hindi maize. Guys, nakikita nyo, help! Help! See, binubuli niya ako, guys. Ganyan yan, hindi nyo lang nakikita. Sinasaktan niya ako sa bahay. Kaya dami ko ng pasa sa katawan, guys. Kung sino mang makakita na ito, guys, please paki-report sa police. Oh, look, see, imagine here, right? Pupunta ka ng Yellowhead, saan ka pupunta? Iikot ka pa. Here is much better. It's 50th Street, and then just go straight.
I'll show you.
No, you don't show me. So yun nga, guys.
Let me drive.
Hanggang dito na lang. Mag-argue muna kami. Next time sa kanya na lang makikita kung paano kami mag-argue. Okay? Bye-bye. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. My
Don't forget to
Facebook account, guys. Can you please quiet? My Facebook account, JL Kian Torlao.
Please don't forget to
And this long video, I will post it in YouTube channel which my channel is Jojo Vlog. Joejoe. No, walang agwat. Magkakadikit yun, guys. And no space. And then vlog, you know.
Only
Makikita nyo na,
exclamation.
makikita nyo naman yung pictures ko doon, guys. Gwapong kong picture. May handsome look. No one can, ano bang tawag
Okay,
doon?
cut.
Di pa ako tapos. Walang katulad. One of a kind.
Cut na, cut
So-
na, cut na. Tama na, nagbobola na tayo. Tama na yan.
Hey,
Uwi na, tara na.
hey, my wife, she's trying to make funny. She's trying to be a comedian here in my vlog. She always trying
Okay,
to,
cut.
you know, guys, to all my followers or subscribers who not understand English here in Canada, I'm trying to say, guys, this girl, my wife, she's always trying herself to include into my blog, which is I told her before that I would include you once I want to, but she's trying to push to be part of my blog. Every time I'll do this.
Wow,
Yeah. I don't know, guys. Anyway, hanggang dito muna.
Sikat yarn.
See, look, papansin, no? I did not give you that script, but you still, you know, making sideways.
Sikat yarn.
Anyway, guys, see you guys. Please don't forget, subscribe to Jojo, and to all my followers who will always view my Facebook account and my YouTube, guys. So
Pangalawang
thank you,
beses
guys.
mo na nagpaalam.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Please continue. Because of you, I'm not in here. Because you are there. Right? So,
Nanay mo sila.
Ayun ko, huwag niyo pakinggan. I-delete ko na lang siya, guys. Hindi ko na lang yan sasama sa... I-void ko yung sounds niya. Anyway, salamat talaga, guys. Talagang maraming salamat kasi sa Facebook natin is...
Pangatlong beses na.
You're distracting me. Yeah, yung Facebook account natin, nagkakaroon na tayo ng 22,000 views and 3,000 engagement. Yeah, yung like natin mababa, guys. Can please you guys hope you like this video. Can you help me to reach thumbs up or your likes, guys, for 500,000, please, guys. Oh no, guys, it's up to you, guys. If you don't like the video, it's up to you, guys. If you give me thumbs up or heart, whatever. At least, guys, thank you for view my content. You know, yun lang. Happy Saturday sa Canada. Magandang hapon sa Pilipinas, magandang umaga siguro sa family ko, Lumba family, sa family ng aking asawa, mga Jose o Mindoro, whatever. Kamusta kayo, guys? Kung napakinggan nyo yung aking asawa, ang iyong kapatid, ang iyong pamangkin, whatever, alam nyo na yung ugali ng taong yan. See, lagi nila ako sinasaktan, guys. Nakita nyo yun, sinampal na naman ako. Oh. Anyway, salamat. See you, guys. Hanggang dito muna. See you later. Ano ba naman yan? Hindi naman kasali yan. Huwag mo nang ano. Off mo na nga to.